I think the first most important thing to mention is that this high chair is the easiest high chair to clean that I have had. I've had 4 other high chairs, and this one is by far my favorite because of that reason. This high chair is very modern with wood legs and leather material. It also comes in gray or yellow. This color is beige. It features a 5-point harness for safety, and it's super easy to adjust. The only thing I don't like is that it doesn't recline, but Isaac doesn't stay in his high chair longer than a meal, so it's okay. So my 9-year-old actually assembled this high chair with me, so it's very, very easy to put together, which I liked because I don't like pulling things out of the box and then having a million different pieces. So like I said in the beginning, this high chair is probably my favorite one because of the way that it looks, but mostly because of how simple it is to clean. You can take the back off and just take it apart so much easier than other ones. You don't have to throw it in the washer, you just simply spray it and wipe it clean. So yeah, I am very, very happy with this high chair. So the tray is adjustable with 3 different options, and I wouldn't say that it's the fanciest like sliding type of tray, but it does lock in place, and it's just very simple, and I actually prefer that.